Welcome back to my channel. I'm at Berlin Marathon. Today I'm wearing German socks and also the Berlin edition of Ultra Escalante Racer. The weather today is ideal for breaking a record. Last night and I think early hours this morning there's some rain, but as you can see the road is nice and dry. So I think he's got a good chance of getting his PB and perhaps world record. I've set up a camera to analyze his running form, first at 14 kilometers and also for the last few kilometers. So stay tuned. Guess what? Kipchoge is approaching. Kipchoge has just run through. It's enormous gap between the first group and the second group. Amazing difference. I'm standing just before the 8th session at 40 kilometers. I'm standing before the 8th session so we can get to see his natural running form. I hear the chopper coming, just right up there. At the moment he's going at a quite good pace. In fact, he's just around a corner. He did it! He did it in 2 hours, 1 minute and 9 seconds. That's a new world record. A new world record for marathon. It's amazing. Now I'm going to analyze how he ran. Of course, we like average Joes, average people, normal people, ordinary people cannot run in exact way how Kipchoge ran, but still we can pick up some good tips. So let's have a look. First, we got the normal speed, then slightly slower. Then a lot slower. I took the footage at 120 frames per second, so hopefully the quality is good enough. First at 14 kilometers, then at just before 40 kilometers. He does midfoot landing on his Nike Air Zoom Alphafly next percent 2. Oh, it's a mouthful, but yeah. You can see the shoes getting squashed as he lands and pops back up. Where he lands is just underneath his knees. Usually, or I quite often say to beginners that we land under the center of gravity, but as you go faster you can land like this too. So it doesn't break. Every time he lands, he doesn't break his momentum. He dips not so much to keep the modulation small, then he uses his glutes and hamstrings to bring his body forward. He stretches his legs out His right leg stretches out slightly more than his left leg, I think. The heel returns very high. Cadence is about 180, I suppose. There's almost no difference at 14k and 40k into the race. His arms are tucked in and are kept quite compact, just like his leg return. Short pendulum makes it easier to swing back and forth. Many of us just swing our arms too much or drag our legs forward, but that's not the most efficient way. I know it's a very brief analysis, but I'm pretty sure you get inspired from how he runs. In this video, I only use my own footage, and if you'd like to use the footage, just contact me on Instagram or whatever. I hope this video helped you guys to see how Kipchoge broke his world record again. What did you think? Did you get some tips on how you can improve your run? Let me know in the comments. In the past, I did an analysis video on how Bekele ran his Berlin Marathon, so if you haven't watched, go and have a look at that too. Also, if you haven't subscribed, push on that screen and subscribe and hit the like, hit the bell, whatever, and see you in the next video.